right, here we have the 1971 Mercedes-Benz 3.5 Coupe. This car is a three-owner car. Lived largely in the South. It's not a rusty car. Has nice miles. Good documentation. Original books. All stamped. Good service tickets outside of the books. No damage history, no rust history. Superb run and drive. Nobody was shy with their pocketbook on this car, and it reflects that. Paint is gorgeous, chrome is great, lenses are nice. Patina on the paint, you can see the reflections. Integrity of the car is very, very high. Run and drive is as nice as the car looks. Solid, straight. Nice set of Michelin tires all the way around. All the wood has been done. Show it to you from the outside. Leather has been done. No cracks on the steering wheel. Door cards are nice. Entry pads are nice. No rust again. Wood's beautiful. Gorgeous. Headliner's nice. Back speaker deck is nice, not warped. Ready 3.5. Here we are at eye level on the 3.5. See how nice the deck lid gap is. Chrome's in good shape. There's a couple little dings here. No pitting. Lenses are in nice shape. Look down the sides. No rust, no rust, no rust. All the chrome trim is in great condition. Look at the reflection of the paint. Look how straight the body panels are. What a beautiful car. We do have one trim piece or body molding that's has a little bump in it. Again, how straight the sides are. Moldings. I mentioned one small imperfection in molding. It's right here. It's been pressed in a touch. Let me see if I can get you an angle. There you go. Not beat up, straight. Door gaps are good. Panels are straight. Good reflective paint. Good body gaps. Michelin tires. No rust in the headlight buckets. Nice grille, good bumper. Beautiful 3.5. All right, here we are on the underside of the 3.5 Coupe. It's not the prettiest, but it's certainly solid. When I say not the prettiest, it's because it's never been cleaned up. Has residue from years of being on the road. But look how solid this undercarriage is. That's the original factory caulking on those floorboards. Everywhere I show you, there is absolutely no rust on this car. Car is very dry up underneath. All the bushings are in good shape and replaced. Shocks have been replaced. Tie rod ends. Dry steering links. Nice tires. No rust up in these bumper horns. I can't see because of the light. There you go. No rust anywhere. This car would be a good candidate for dry ice cleaning, detailing. Get all the residue. I just don't happen to have a dry ice machine. Good bushings again. I'll try to get you a panoramic. Engine's dry. Here we go. Rear main seal's dry. Try to get you a panoramic of the undercarriage. These are original floorboards, by the way. Factory spot welds, you can see all the way through here. Factory spot welds, and that's just debris. And then factory caulking everywhere you look. Southern car. There you go. There's a panoramic showing you how dry those pans are. Southern car, so even when you look up here in the deep, it's solid. It's not even dirty. Bilstein shocks in the back, fresh. Dampener, fresh. Rust prone area here. It is not. That's original factory. So exceptionally solid, straight 3.5. Transmission's just smoothly for an old